Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase the UCL group stage chain pack in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, and how you can exchange player, how you can complete the mission or quest and challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store button, tap this UCL group stage, and as you can see previous video I made video about best pack, standard pack, ultra pack, but right now I want to show you this one, UCL chain pack 1. So you need to exchange with 500 of FC point here. Sorry, let's get back. And UCL group stage, sorry, this one. You need 500 FC point by top up. So you need to top up this game so you can purchase UCL chain pack 1. The possible reward is good. For example, Sabi Alonso, you can get this prime icon player, or you can, this is possible reward that you can get. You can get Jude Bellingham also. This is UCL group stage live player. If you're not get this player, don't worry, there are guarantee reward here. You can learn about this. After you buy this or purchase the UCL chain pack, you can unlock the another chain pack. For example, chain pack 2. The condition is unlocked after purchasing UCL chain pack 1. After you buy pack 2, you can buy pack 3, pack 4, and pack 5. This is UCL chain pack. So please try your luck. But before that, top up this game. This is maybe pay to win for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.